Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, August 23, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, August 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 23, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, August 23, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 23, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, August 23, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.